Alright, here we are, Oklahoma Model Railroad Association and Museum. This is our entryway to the building, but check this out. Alright, let's go inside and see what we have inside. Alright, so first thing is we have O scale, and O scale is upstairs. So here we have your upstairs area. Okay, so that's where the O scale is. We also have HO scale here. There is an elevator here, so if you are a person that need to, ride an elevator upstairs, you can obviously do that. So, all right. So then this is our entryway into the HO. You have this door on the right-hand side where we primarily go in, and this door over here. So there's two sides of the building that is all HO. Okay, so in here we are going to have our store. This will be a place where people can buy like t-shirts and other memorabilia stuff that we'll have here. One day it'll be right there in this particular location. On this side of the layout is going to be eventually Oklahoma themed modeled area, but right now it's just from our modules that we've had from Conrail and from us at the mall when we were at the mall a long time ago. Okay, so it goes on back this way. Plus we have a little city back this way too. There we go. Alright, and then back over this way, here's our staging yard where we can pull out trains from here. It's a pretty long staging yard. We've got a lot of members here that run trains. And then it goes through a tunnel, which is actually through a wall. So we had to actually dig out that wall there and create a tunnel so we can get our trains to go through here. From there, we now come into the area of what we call a packing plant over here and an ice house over this direction, so a little bit older scenery. And this is our ice house right here. You can see the actual ice cubes inside there. Pretty old theme. And from here we're going to go over to roundhouse. Then we have a engine repair shop over here, where we have a bunch of BNSFs inside here. We are one day planning to have another storm. We're going to have some lightning going across the city there. Here's our more like Chicago themed city. It's not really Chicago, but themed area like Chicago. So we'll have some bigger skyscrapers here, and then we got elevated track here we're going to be putting. Obviously you can see the purple foam there, but that will eventually have an elevated track on there. We do have a big crane over here working on it too. So you see, we turn the corner now. That elevator track and the road is going to be all there. So we'll have some type of road going around this underneath the elevator track, and then that road is going to take us over here to our Union Station. We even have a road here going from one side to the other side eventually. So this is going to be our Union Station here. And down below is going to be all the passenger trains. Here we have an oil refinery, so we just go from Union Station to the oil refinery. We also have a ginormous crane standing over here, doing absolutely nothing. So this is our tunnel going through from the other side, over by the ice house. And from there, we also go out straight across to the other side of this big mountain here. And now we turn into our Colorado mountain. Okay. So we do have a small little city over here that we're working on called Twin Lakes. So we got several different tunnels through the Colorado mountain that we'll be doing, and we got the road going through there as well. We do also have on top narrow gauge. So everything you see there with the brown ballast is our narrow gauge. Okay. And then on top of that, all the way up here, this is our highway that goes around the mountain also. We're actually utilizing, here's our river. Back up. People on the rafts, on canoes, kayaks. Alright, so this section's called our river view. That's the river view of the Colorado mountain. As we turn a corner of a Colorado mountain, another tunnel going through. And now we're going to come up to what we call Lookout Highway at the top. So there's our cars that we can now put up there on the track. And here we have your Rocky Pass and Gorge. So here's the other side of the Twin Lakes. You can now see there's the Twin Lakes up here in the mountain. Got your Walker Bridge. Coming around this direction, now we have our north yard. Another staging yard also that we could use. Now on the back side there's going to be another mountain over there too. We also have that giant bridge, which is called the Birch Bridge. So going around the mountain, we're going to start building cities inside here as well. So this will be, I think, even another passenger station here somewhere along the lines. But we'll start building the city there. And then it goes back around. This is called Samus Pass. And it ropes back around from Samus Pass back over there to where we began. And that's what I wanted to show you guys. Alright, so thank you for watching.